Hello and welcome. Traveling, eating out, and indulging in a holiday feast can leave you feeling overfull and sluggish. And you might already be dealing with a constant bloating even before that festivity begin. And if that sounds familiar, don't miss out our special Align Your Spine yoga class, Yoga for Digestion, this Thanksgiving Sunday. And I'm so excited to share the techniques that helped me heal from IBS in my early 20s and completely transform my approach to yoga and even to life. So healthy digestions is the key to boost your mood, supporting your immune system, enhancing your skin health, and most importantly, helping you feel your best. Let's reset your digestive system and moving into the holiday seasons, feeling lighter, happier, and more connected to your body. So space is limited. Be sure to reserve your spot today on my website or by clicking that link in my bio. And I'm so grateful to have you in my life and community. Happy Thanksgiving, and let's continue to give thanks together. And I can't wait to see you in our virtual healing room. See you then.